Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2021 used trade-in Bennington. This particular model here is a L23 Bowrider with a swing back. Exterior color is black with an ocean blue upper accent blackout package. This is that new model for Bennington this year. It's the Bowrider, so the interior has a bow. I'll show you once we climb aboard. This particular boat does include a trailer, a tandem axle, black painted. It is powered with a Yamaha 250 SHO motor. This boat does have roughly 56 hours on it. Stainless steel prop. You can see the center pod on this tri-tune package is really nice for performance and speed. Walk around the exterior here, show you. Absolute beautiful boat. Blackout package, 10-foot bimini. Swing back. It's got the ski pylon in the back right there. Climb aboard, take a look real fast. It's got the silver interior with ocean blue accent on your swing back right here. Captain chair, co-captain's chair. It's got a Garmin depth finder, fish finder. This particular model, the previous owners did upgrade the stereo. It's absolutely incredible. You step down into the bow to a fiberglass pod that's in that center tune. Tons of seating. You got in-floor storage there, in-floor storage there. Swing back. Yamaha 250. Absolute incredible boat. It's located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.